We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at the Samsung CLX 3305 and we're going to show you how to print out the supplies info page. So the supplies info page is going to give us a lot of information about the printer, and it's a really simple thing to print out. So what you're going to want to start with is using your arrow pad here. You're going to hit the menu button, and then you're going to use the arrow keys to scroll over until you find where it says System Setup. Once you get System Setup, you're going to hit OK, and then we're going to use the arrows to scroll over until you find Reports, and then hit OK again, and then again use the arrow keys until you come up with Supplies Info on the screen. Once you find Supplies Info, hit OK, and it's going to ask if you want to print, and hit OK again for yes, and that's going to print out your Supplies Info page. So this is going to tell you about all the toner and your imaging unit and all the other consumables inside your printer. That way you don't have to wait till the last second when the machine's giving you a warning saying that something needs to be replaced. It just is a good way to keep track of everything on your machine. So again, there's a little bit of general information about your machine, and then there's also, it breaks down each of your toner cartridges. So for all four colors, and it tells you an approximate percentage value of how much toner is remaining in each cartridge. So again, good way to keep track of your toner level so you're not waiting for that low toner warning where you don't have a whole lot of time to replace it. This will make sure that you can get it done well beforehand or have something ready so that when it is time to replace that toner, you don't have to scramble at the last second. It also gives you information about your imaging unit, something that does need to be changed out from time to time. And this way, again, you can keep track of everything, have one handy, or know that you're going to need to order one until waiting for the machine to tell you, and then again, last second, having to track something down. Also, it gives you information about your transfer unit and other consumables inside the printer. Again, just a great way to keep track of everything inside the machine, so you're not waiting for the machine to tell you that something needs to be replaced, because it never fails. It's always in the middle of something big and important, and you start getting that warning or something does fail on you. And so it's always nice to be able to have something either on hand or get it taken care of before it becomes a problem. So that's what this is really good at helping with. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to give Onyx a call, and we'll be glad to help you out with any of that. Also, if you find yourself needing any toner, some of these levels are getting kind of low, or your imaging unit, please feel free to give us a call and we can help you out with that as well. Other than that, you should be good to go and back up printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.